Hello, Rana sir.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का दिन बहुत स्पेशल है। व्हाई? बिकॉज आज क्लास 10 का फेयरवेल है और सच में ये दिन बहुत स्पेशल और इमोशनल होती है, यू नो। और आज मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी, बस आप लोग को मैं शेयर करूँगी ये मोमेंट्स जहाँ पर क्लास 9 लोग ने अपने सीनियर लोग के लिए ये प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है। सो दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ प्रोग्राम, ये एक यादें है विच आई एम गोना शेयर विथ यू गाइज टू। सो प्लीज़ ये वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर दिखिएगा एंड जॉइन मी। ओके, कम।
Teachers and friends, today is a very special day as we celebrate our class 10 seniors and the memories they have given us.
Boys and girls, please welcome our class 10 ramp walk.
We now invite our class 10 students to be formally escorted with the traditional offering of a khada and tilak.
Calm and composed on every step. Please welcome Arjun Chaudhary.
Carrying a strong present, here comes Arman Sheba. Quiet and balanced, working with style. Please welcome Ayush Gupta.
Attitude and confidence in his blood. Let's welcome Bisal Shah.
Easygoing and naturally cool. Please welcome Bishesh Mangar.
Graceful, calm and elegant. Please welcome Jevika Jhora. Comes Kritika Para.
Steady and composed, walking with ease. Please welcome Parvandeep Here.
Calm and relaxed, enjoying every step. Here comes Pratham Goyal. Simple style, working naturally. Please welcome Pratibha Mahali.
Composed and calm on the ramp. Please welcome Prince Kumar Jha.
Gentle, elegant and soft in style. Please welcome Roshni Raut.
Oh God, one more remix.
Relax, simple and comfortable on stage. Please welcome Rupam Sarkar. And calm presence. Please welcome Shraddha Gurung.
Pleasant energy and natural style. Please welcome Srishti Tirki.
And natural presence. Please welcome Sonia Munda. Cheerful steps and bright energy. Please welcome Sweetie Mint.
Calm grace. Please welcome Tannu Kachwa.
am Shrishti Tirki and I am very much overwhelmed with the emotion that we are bidding farewell. And as we have grown up, this school, the second home, will always remember. And the memories we have created will always be etched in our heart, the laughter, the tears, and the countless memories. I would also like to express my gratitude to principal, vice principal, and my dear teachers for shaping us into who we are today. And all your support, care, love will always be in our heart. Thank you, and I miss this place and miss you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Srishti Tirki, for your heartfelt words.
Good morning everyone present here. I'm Arman Shah from class 10 and today I'm gonna share something which I have learned from the school. So I came in the school in the year 2021. So it was after the lockdown. I'm here. I attended the offline classes from the class 7. So first day I was like unknown. I was not knowing anything about the school. I was like a blank sheet. Now the sheet has filled with all the words whichever it needed. So I laughed with many of them. I made friends and I enjoyed the days with my friends, teachers. I came to know each and every one by one, slowly and slowly. Our teachers guided us for they have put lots of effort for us, and I just felt like I just don't have words to say for that. I'm very thankful to God and to everyone that did this, and I like to say that this school is like my own home, and this is very sorrowful for me to leave this school. I cannot express my feelings, but you can understand that we are going to go. So this is the time. Our time has come. So we need to leave this school. So thank you, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Dear respected Father Sujit Lakratiwar, the Vice Principal, dear loving teachers, and my dear student. Yes, today we have come together for a special moment, and therefore I would say today is a day of mixed emotions. And as your principal, I feel proud, nostalgic, and deeply hopeful as we bid farewell to this wonderful batch of class 10 students. You came to this school as children, full of curiosity and energy. Over the years, you have grown into confident young individuals, ready to step into wider world. And each of you has left a mark on this institution with your achievements, your friendships, and even your challenges that taught us all resilience. Dear students, remember what always I used to say, again I'm repeating today, exams may test your knowledge, but life will test your character. I repeat it, exam may test your knowledge, but life will test your character. Yes, we do know, marks are important, but they are not the measure of your worth. What truly matters is your honesty, your compassion, your truthfulness, your discipline, and your determination to keep moving forward, even when the path is difficult. Believe in yourself. Because if you believe, nothing is impossible. And why it is not impossible? Because even in the word impossible, there is I am possible. And therefore there is nothing is impossible. Yes, I am possible. So on behalf of the entire school, I wish you success, happiness, and fulfillment in all years ahead. May you rise high, and not just in career, but also in your character. And that's what is going to define you. So congratulations, dear students. The world awaits you, and may you shine brightly in your ICSE board exams. So all the best. Thank you. God bless you.
Respected Principal, Father Benjamin Thiru TOR, Vice Principal, Father Sujit Lakra TOR, my dear teachers and my dear students, a very warm good morning to you all. Today I stand here with a heart full of pride and eyes that may not stay dry for long. Not sure whether I could complete this speech, because today is not just a farewell. It is a moment where memories, emotions, and dreams all meet. You might remember from the very first day I became your class teacher, you were never just roll numbers to me. You became my children. You may remember that I never called you by roll numbers. Students, yesterday you just told me that you will be bringing glycerin. Don't do that activity, okay? So, you might remember that I never called you by roll numbers, right? Do you remember? Yes, sir. So, your attendance was always taken by your names because, like a father who ensures his child is present, I wanted to know you were here, safe, valued, and important. I have seen you walk into the classroom with hesitation. Today, I see you walking out with confidence and courage. Someone once said, education is not the filling of a bucket, but the lighting of a fire. And I truly believe that the fire in each one of you has been lit. A fire of ambition, determination, and hope. And I truly believe success is not about how high you climb, but how strong you become along the way. As your class teacher, I believe I corrected you when you were wrong, pushed you when you were comfortable, and believed in you when you didn't believe in yourself. Not because it was my duty, but because I saw greatness in you. If any of my words or actions have hurt you, I am truly sorry. It was never my intention. Everything I did came from care and concern for you. And my dear children, years from now, when you come back to this campus, this school, these classrooms will not be just walls and benches. They will remind you of 21 stories and a lifetime of memories, of laughter shared, tears hidden, friendship built, and dreams first spoken aloud. Life beyond school will test you in ways you cannot imagine. You will face competition, rejection, and moments of self-doubt. When that happens, remember, do not be afraid of failures. Be afraid of life where you never tried. Wherever you go, carry your values with you. Be kind when the world is harsh. Be honest when shortcuts tempt you. And be brave enough to stand alone if what you stand for is right. Always remember, your marks may decide your rank, but your character will decide your destiny. As you leave the school, know that a part of my heart walks with each one of you. You may forget formulas, dates, and definitions. Even Pythagoras' theorem you might forget. But I hope you never forget that you were loved, trusted, and believed in. You might be wondering, yesterday I might have written something on your shirts in my language. It says, "En nenjil kudi irukum," which means each one of you will always live forever in my heart. This is not the end, it is only the beginning. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. My dear students, fly high but stay grounded. Dream big but stay humble. Achieve success but remain human. You will always be my pride. May your future be filled with courage, compassion, and countless victories. Love you from my heart and wish you all the very best.
Alright, class 10, time to pause the nostalgia and start the chaos. We have 3 rounds games to see who really rules this batch.
No excuses, no backing out. Let's get into it.
Round 1, Sari Ramp Walk, boys.
You know what? You guys are looking so beautiful.
We have our 8 brave players. Here are your tasks. No skipping. Please come on the stage.
Be the statue and hold a funny pose while the audience tries to make me laugh.
He is out of the competition.
What did he say?
Laughed. That's it. I have got the dare to sell a pen with millions rupees. So I would like to call. Midun sir. Sir, please come here.
Yes, what are you going to sell?
Pen of 1 million rupees.
Oh, I'm not in need for a pen.
No, sir, you are a teacher. You should take it, no? For your students.
I already have pen.
No, sir, one more.
So what is so special about this pen?
Magical pen.
1 million.
Yes.
I don't have that much cash.
No, phone pay.
Account balance is 2 rupees.
Sir, then you should borrow from your colleagues.
Let me check if there is any cash in my pockets.
Yeah, sure.
Can I get it or buy it after like 2 days?
After 2 days, I will not come here again.
Father, can you give me 1 million rupees?
Father.
Every month you can deduct from my salary. And my dear teachers, you are my loving colleagues. Like I know that if there is a need for me, you will give your heart, your kidney, everything. Okay, Nehal sir. I think I need to go and beg in Ente Asimara. Can you give me like 1 hour time?
1 hour? Sir, 1 hour is too late.
Can you do any deduction?
What direction means?
Like any concession, discount?
Discount. 1 million, right? So you can give me 9,50,000 rupees.
Okay, I will buy it. One of my friend is there.
Yeah.
He might send me the cash. I'll just make a call. Hello, Rana sir. Father is in the ground. Silently, can you just open that drawer and collect some money? I'm buying a pen for 1 million. Tomorrow we can sell it for 2 million. 50-50 share. Let it be a secret, okay, sir?
Thank you.
As fast as you can. ZXYWTSRU
4, 3, 2, 1. You are out.
Good morning everyone. Today I have got a dare to act like a teacher for 30 seconds. So today I will take my friend Rupam's help for this. Where is your homework?
मालिक गलती हो गई मालिक, होमवर्क नहीं किया मालिक.
Don't show your attitude in the school. Keep it outside of the school and check yourself.
So I have to recreate 5 emojis. This is my nail painting. One is done. So second is smiling. So third is like, and fourth is paw, and fifth is
I'm okay. Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar. No, Papa. Telling lies. No, Papa. Open your mouth. Doesn't like the kind of dress or everything she's never had. She's so in awe. Driving too fast, moon is breaking up her skin. She's ready, doesn't even know it yet. Having no regrets is all that she really wants. Oh, I gotta know, baby. I've been thinking about you lately. Does it ever try to be crazy? Just how fast the night changes.
Stop. Here is Anuj.
Give him a huge round of applause.
For the balloon burst competition, the winner is Tanu.
Give her a huge round of applause.
Just hi.
Subscribe Pasang Web channel.
All the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am. I love you, ma'am.
Don't lie. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video till the end. So आज का फेयरवेल सिर्फ एक फेयरवेल नहीं था, ये एक यादें थे और उन लोग को देख के मुझे मेरा फेयरवेल याद आ गया. यू नो, ऑल दोस लाफ्टर, वो हंसी, वो मोमेंट्स, सच में these type of moments are like very special. So a small message to class 10, don't lose this moment. Live your life, because this kind of opportunity, golden opportunities, does not comes again and again. So thank you so much for watching my video till the end. And yeah, अगर आप लोग को ये video अच्छा लगा होगा, so please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, see you in my next vlog. Bye.